So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a border around text here in video here in InShot. So here's my wonderful video right here. If I wanted to add some text, go ahead and press on text right here, then press on text again, type in your text. I'll do border just like this. So right now by default there actually isn't a border around it, but if I wanted to go ahead and add a border, press on, we'll just go ahead and press this right here. Once you guys are here, press on your text. Just like that. You can go ahead and, sorry, I messed this up. So we'll go ahead, press on the pencil icon. Go ahead and press on where it says like A, capital A, etc. There's a bunch of different options right here. So this one right here, you can go ahead and do this. You can go ahead and do this. There's a bunch of different options right here. Press on the color right here where it says border. Go ahead, if I wanted to make a black border around the text right here, you can go ahead and do that. Press on the check mark right here. This time when the text appears, there is now a black border around the text that you selected here in InShot. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add a border around text to in a video here in InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.